Hey, hi. Welcome to the course now. Currently we are on the dashboard of Semrush. So, when you create an account, this is how the dashboard looks like. On the left hand side, you can see all the tools or features that are provided by Semrush. There are different features like keyword related tools, backlink related tools, social media related tools, content marketing related tools. So, you can just explore them if you want to. Now, before we can create an impactful content, we need to build a solid foundation through effective research. Now, in this section, you will learn how to generate content ideas, uncover high value keywords, and find opportunities using competitor analysis, all with SEMrush, by the way. How do you do that? So it's pretty simple. The first thing we can do is go to the topic research section that is available in the content marketing. Here you can go to the topic research section. Now if you are having some mental block or mind blocks on what new topic to write your next article or other content, then you can go to the topic research and type in any keyword that you think is you want to. For example, if I want recession, so I can just type in recession, and I will select the country that I want to do the topic research for, and I can also enter a domain. Suppose I have a competitor and I want to find what type of articles he have written for the related keyword. Then you can also do that, but for now I will just type in recession, and you will see this. You will see the following, by the way. So you can see, let me show, there are four sections, by the way: cards, explorer, overview, and mind map. So in the cards section, what you can see is you can see different uh, topic related ideas: economic growth, Federal Reserve Bank, oil prices. These are all related to recession, by the way. And when you click on any card, you can see more details, by the way. So details like headlines, what type of different headlines people have used for the articles, what type of questions people are asking for this related keyword or topic. You can also, by the way, you can also, by the way, filter it, the topics based on volume, topic efficiency. So this is the difficulty level. Currently we are at the difficulty, so you can just scroll down below and see that the less difficult topic you can choose. At the beginning there are like 100%, so they are more difficult topic, you can avoid that. They are broad topics. You can go with other topics like spread across the economy, and so on and so forth. You can also filter it with the help of volume, so how much search volume they have, the topic has having currently on the Google. You can scroll at the top, you can see stock market has highest volume. Obviously it's a broad keyword, you can enter a specific, narrow down your keyword, by the way. You can go down and see some less volume but more easy to rank keywords or the topics. You can just explore them, by the way, here, right? Again, now let's see explorer. So what is that? Explorer, again, we can see a topic, subtopic related to our keyword, as well as what type of article they have written. You can just go to this and check the article for yourself and read what your competitors have written, by the way. You can check how many backlinks they have, how many social media shares they have received, their article have received. And if you like it, you can click on the save section. You know that if you want to write the article related to this, then you can just save it, all the details. Overview, again, it's the same section we already saw: top 10 headlines by backlinks, top interesting questions, um, what are the related searches people do on Google. You can also go to the mind map. It's basically the same thing. Headlines, question on the right hand side you are seeing is the same. On the front you are seeing recession, that is the main keyword that we have. And there we have different topic related to it, like GDP fail, fixed rule. So you can just explore all of those, right? You can go and check what are the headlines are, what are the questions are asked. Favorite idea, again, we previously saved our favorite topic, right? On the right hand side I just showed you all those saved related articles you can track over here. I have saved this previously, so you do not forget that, and you want to create something related to this topic, right? So that was all about our topic research section. Now let's move to the next section, by the way. Okay, so now we have our topic ready by using the topic research word. Now, finding right keywords to include in the topic is also very important, by the way. To do that, you can go to the SEO section. Here you can find keyword magic tool. You can type in the keyword that you want to find and choose the country that you want to search the keywords, more details about the keyword. and click on search. You will get all the details related to the keyword here. Keyword difficulty, how much search volume the keyword has, um, at what type of search feature the keyword is ranking, and more details, right? You can also use advanced filter as well as the filters, and narrow it down based on the amount of search volume the keyword has. Keyword difficulty, I would highly recommend you to choose possible very easy type of filters, because we cannot target very hard type of keywords, because it will be very difficult to rank. You can choose the intent, cost per click if you are more interested in running ppc ads using those keywords. You can do those, and you can save those keywords that you like. For example, you can just select from here and create a new list and save it. All you have to do is click on this and create a new list from here and save the list. That's it. So you can see I already created a lot of keyword list over here based on the topic that I'm writing. So yeah, that's how you do it. You can also export the keywords, by the way, to an Excel sheet or CSV file. Uh, or you can also find relevant questions that are asked for the keyword. So you can see all the related questions you can check out, and yeah, you can also save the questions has the same way that we saved the keywords, by the way. So you can also go for phrase match, exact match, and all those. You can also choose if there are other languages type you are targeting for the keyword, you can choose those and you will get keywords in those languages as well. It's in the beta stage currently, so if currently they are testing out this feature. So yeah, that's how you use the keyword research tool, by the way. You can also use other tools from here, right? Like keyword strategy builder, keyword overview. You are free to explore those keyword related tools, by the way. So yeah, that's how you do the topic research. Then you find the relevant keywords for that topic. Then one more thing I would like to show you is keyword. You can also go for the keyword gap, by the way. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. So keyword gap is basically what? So keyword gap is basically, now you have one competitor, say, and you have your website and you have one of the competitor. Then you need to find what type of keywords they have covered that you have not written it. You are basically finding opportunities that you are not aware of right now. So for example, let me show you. Suppose my business is cintrim.com, and my competitor is eim.com. So both are into interim management, and I will just click on compare and see, and then you will get some results, by the way. So you will see, you can see right now, you can see there are like 298 keywords of c interim, and there are like 154 keywords of eim.com, and there are like 54 keywords that are overlapping to each other, right? So you can also type in more competitor, by the way, up to five competitors, four competitors you can type in and compare each one of them. So you can see here top opportunities. These are the keywords that um, eim has but we do not have, so we can try to include those in our article. We can see more details we can get, by the way, here, right? Let me show you the details. You can see shared, that means both of our businesses are sharing this keyword, right? Both of our businesses are sharing this keyword. Missing, that means eim has those keywords but c interim does not have it. So I need to include, I can include those keywords if I find them relevant for the topics that I'm covering, right? So you can see C interim does not have it, 000, you are seeing that. But e interim has, eim.com has it, and they have good search volume as well. So I can definitely check out these keywords and save them and check if I want to include those, right? You can filter it out based on their keyword difficulties, um, cost per click, and more. Weak, that means I do have the keywords related to eim, but I'm ranking a bit lower compared to my competitors, so I can work more on those keywords to rank higher compared to eim, right? Strong, that means, again, as the name suggests, I am currently ranking higher than my competitor, that's why they are strong, right? You can see I am ranking at the sixth place, but EIM is ranking at the 15th place. So yeah, that is a good thing, by the way. I do not need to work on them. Untapped. So now you can see that so I do not have these keywords, but EIM has. So again, I these are untapped keywords by me. I can explore them. Unique, again, as the name suggests, they are all ranking for me for my business, but EIM does not. So EIM may find it useful to include those in their content marketing, right? So that's how, that's what I wanted to explain about keyword gap, by the way. So that completes our second section. Now let's move to the next section. Thank you.